Forms in Planbrand aren't just about collecting data, they're how visitors step into your brand's journeys. When someone submits a form, they're instantly tagged with the right persona, which triggers their journey and adds them to your CRM. From here, you can track every step, who submitted, what persona they belong to, and how their journey unfolds. Forms make the bridge between your public pages and your internal brand engine.
Navigating the Forms dashboard. Find, filter, and manage every form with ease. Here on the Forms dashboard, you can filter your forms by brand, product, status, or simply search by keyword. Each form card shows its submission count, the persona it's linked to, its current status, and which brand owns it. Click the 3 dots to take action. Copy the form's URL, copy its embed code, edit the form, duplicate it, or delete it. This keeps your forms centralized and easy to control across your brand system.
Auto emails after submission. Make your follow-up instant. Make it personal. Every submission deserves a response, fast. Instead of waiting for your team, Planbrand can send personalized emails automatically. Strategically, this builds trust from the first click. Technically, you define the template, add dynamic fields like the contact's name, and Planbrand replaces them on the fly. That way, your emails run on autopilot, but always sound like you wrote them by hand.
Form settings essentials. Your form, your brand, your rules. In the Settings tab, you give your form an internal name, write the title, subtitle, and description, and even add media like images or videos. You can grab the public URL or embed code to publish it anywhere. From the top right toggle, you can also activate or deactivate the form instantly. This is where your form takes its shape and brand identity before it goes live.
Strategic form settings. Every form is a touchpoint with your brand. The settings aren't just technical, they're strategic. Embedding your form in pages or sharing the URL expands your reach. And with a custom domain, Planbrand branding disappears, so your form lives under your brand's name, like brandname.com/form/demo. This keeps every interaction consistent and professional, reinforcing trust at every step.
Tracking submissions. Every response is a step forward. In the Results tab, you see all submissions, filter them, and click through for full details. If the form is linked to a persona, the contact is already assigned and their journey has started. This means submissions don't just sit idle, they activate actions, tasks, and journeys in real time. You can also drill down into each contact's profile directly from here.
Contacts from form submissions. A form submission is not the end, it's the beginning. Every submission creates or updates a contact in your CRM automatically. Technically, all their details flow into the contact profile. Strategically, this is where the real power lies, because that contact is now active in your system. You can assign tasks, track their journey, and nurture them with precision. One form becomes a live engine for growth. When should I use short forms versus long forms? Short forms convert, long forms qualify. Not all forms serve the same purpose. If you want more people to sign up, keep your form short. Just name, email, maybe one key detail. This removes friction and maximizes conversions. But if you need to filter for high-quality leads, add more fields. Ask for company size, budget, or project details. Long forms work like a gate. Fewer submissions, but stronger opportunities. The best practice? Use short forms at the top of your funnel and long forms deeper in your journey where qualification matters. This way, you balance volume and quality.
Linking forms to personas. A form without a persona is just data. Linked to a persona, it becomes a journey. When you link a form to a persona, every submission instantly becomes more than a contact, it becomes a starting point. Technically, the system assigns the submitter to that persona, which auto-applies the right journey template. Strategically, this means you're not just collecting emails, you're guiding each new lead through a predefined, structured path that matches their needs.